Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this one, I'm going to show you an easy way to play bass to a rock classic by the Animals, The House of the Rising Sun. The bass is tuned standard E, A, D, G, and the key is A minor. We'll start with the intro, and the intro will be played this way. I'm playing single notes, and we're going to call that progression number 1. There's only 2 progressions in this song. That's the first one, and we'll play a different one, and we'll move back and forth between those 2 progressions. This one's for the intro, and we started with an open A. We went to fret 3 on the A string, open D, and fret 3 on that string, and then we'll go to the open A string, open E, open A, and open E. The next progression will cover all the verse choruses, and we'll be playing it this way. Then we'll move back to progression number 1. Now when we get to the organ solo and beyond, we'll start playing the notes like this, down up with the pick. And we're playing 6/8 time, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. We'll start with the verse progression. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're back to the intro. And that's repeated throughout the song. Now when we get to the ending, we'll play the ending this way. And that's how we'll end the song. What we did is we played progression number 2, or the verse progression, and then we went to the open A string, the open D string. We're going to do that 4 times. And for the ending riff, we'll play this. So we went to the G string, fret 2, open, fret 3 on the D string, fret 2, open, the A string, fret 3, back to the D string, open, and then we'll walk up, fret 1, fret 2, and then back to an open A. Well, my friends, that's all we have to know in order to play House of the Rising Sun by the Animals on bass guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.